The Machenike K500-B61W introduces itself as a compelling option for PC gamers seeking a compact yet versatile input device. This tri-mode mechanical keyboard is engineered to deliver a focused experience, combining a space-saving design with multiple connectivity options and specialized layout support, positioning it as a practical choice for dedicated users. At its core, the K500-B61W offers the distinct advantages of a mechanical keyboard, providing tactile feedback and durability essential for prolonged use. Its tri-mode connectivity is a significant feature, allowing users to switch seamlessly between wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and likely Bluetooth connections, offering excellent flexibility across various setups. The inclusion of hot swap capability further enhances its appeal, enabling users to customize or replace switches without soldering, contributing to both longevity and personalized typing feel. As a wireless gaming keyboard, it prioritizes responsiveness while freeing up desk space from cable clutter. This keyboard is particularly well-suited for gamers who value a minimalist desk setup without compromising performance. Its 60% NSI form factor makes it an ideal companion for travel or for those with limited desk real estate, ensuring the mouse has ample room for sweeping movements. Furthermore, the Latam-Es Layout directly addresses the needs of users requiring specific Spanish character support, making it an invaluable tool for both gaming and typing in a region. The wireless functionality, combined with its compact size, also lends itself well to multi-device use, easily switching between a primary gaming PC and other compatible systems. From a design and usability standpoint, the 60% NSI layout offers a streamlined aesthetic that prioritizes essential keys, contributing to its compact footprint. The specific Latam-Es layout ensures that users who type in Spanish have immediate access to necessary characters like and accent marks, which is a critical detail for specific user demographics. The hot swap feature speaks to both reliability and user empowerment, allowing for easy maintenance and personalization of the typing experience over time. Its designation as a gaming keyboard implies a robust build quality designed to withstand the rigors of competitive play. In summary, the Machenike K500-B61W tri-mode mechanical keyboard presents itself as a robust and adaptable solution for the PC gamer. Its blend of tri-mode connectivity, hot swap mechanical switches, and a compact 60% form factor specifically tailored with a Latam-Es layout delivers a focused and efficient experience. This keyboard stands out as a practical choice for those who demand performance, versatility, and specific linguistic support in a streamlined package.